Hello aspirants, welcome back to India for IAS. This is Manjunath Mudhol. Topic of this video is Indian laurel tree. ಸೊ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ ಐಎಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಲಾರೆಲ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಯನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ GS3 ಪೇಪರ್ ಬಯೋಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. GS3 paper biodiversity. Within biodiversity, it comes under plant diversity. So in this video, we are going to study about why Indian laurel trees was in use. So a brief study about Indian laurel tree, about Konda Reddy tribes, and a brief study about Papikonda National Park, and one practice question. Recently, the forest officials in Andhra Pradesh, Alluri Sitaramaraju district, discovered water gushing out of the bark of Indian laurel tree in Papikonda National Park. And around approximately 20 liters of water emerged from the bark of the tree. So the water extracted from the tree is drinkable and possesses medicinal properties, which is beneficial for treating the stomach ailments. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಅರಣ್ಯಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಪಾಪಿಕೊಂಡ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಂಡಾರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಎಂಬ ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನಾಂಗದ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಲಾರೆಲ್ ಎಂಬ ಮರದ ಬಡ್ಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. So in the following image, we can see the water gushing out of the bark of the Indian laurel tree. So this unique knowledge shared by Konda Reddy tribe about the trees storing water in summer is one of the major discoveries regarding the Indian laurel tree and its resourcefulness during summer months. The botanists are yet to discover why the Indian laurel tree stores water in its bark. Now we will briefly study about the Indian laurel tree. The scientific name of Indian laurel tree is Terminalia elliptica. So it is also known as Indian laurel and it is also called as Nallamaddi. Indian laurel tree ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಂದರೆ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲಿಯಾ ಎಲಿಪ್ಟಿಕಾ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಲ್ಲಮಡ್ಡಿ ಎಂಬ ಹೆಸರಿಂದ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಯಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ. This Indian laurel tree is native to southern and southeast Asia. It thrives well in countries like India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, etc. ಈ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಲಾರೆಲ್ ಮರವು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಮತ್ತು ಆಗ್ನೇಯ ಏಷ್ಯಾದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಸಸ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭೇದವಾಗಿದೆ. The bark of the tree is fire resistant and its wood is used for crafting furniture and musical instruments. ಈ ಮರದ ತೊಗಟೆಯು ಅಗ್ನಿ ನಿರೋಧಕವಾಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಮರವನ್ನು ಪೀಠೋಪಕರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಗೀತದ ವಾದ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸಲು ಬಳಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. The leaves of the Nallamaddi tree are primary food source for tussar silkworms. So tussar silk is one of the commercially valuable wild silk in India. ನಲ್ಲಮಡ್ಡಿ ಮರದ ಎಲೆಗಳು ಅಂಥೇರಿಯಾ ಫಾಫಿಯಾ ಎಂಬ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಹುಳುಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಆಹಾರದ ಮೂಲವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಹುಳುಗಳಿಂದ ಟಸ್ಸಾರ್ ಎಂಬ ರೇಷ್ಮೆಯನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟಸ್ಸಾರ್ ರೇಷ್ಮೆಯು ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯಿಕವಾಗಿ ಬೆಲೆ ಬಾಳುವ ಕಾಡು ರೇಷ್ಮೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. So this is all about Indian laurel tree, its unique traits and its usefulness. Now we will briefly study about Konda Reddy tribes. So while studying the discovery of water gushing out from Indian laurel tree, we came to know that the Konda Reddy tribes have the unique traditional knowledge regarding Indian laurel trees. So now we will briefly discuss about the Konda Reddy tribes, its society, its family structure, and the matrimonial relations, etc. Konda Reddy tribe is a particularly vulnerable tribal group in India. It is primarily located along the banks of the river Godavari and in hilly forest tracts of Godavari and Khammam district of Andhra Pradesh. Konda Reddy ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ದುರ್ಬಲ ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಗುಂಪುಗೆ ಒಳಪಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನಾಂಗವು ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕವಾಗಿ ಗೋದಾವರಿ ನದಿಯ ದಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಗುಡ್ಡಗಾಡು ಮತ್ತು ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಗುಡ್ಡಗಾಡು ಮತ್ತು ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Coming to the language spoken by Konda Reddy tribes, they speak Telugu language with a unique accent. Konda Reddy ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನಾಂಗವು ತೆಲುಗು ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. Coming to the family structure and marriage, the family structure is patriarchal and patrilocal. Monogamy is the norm. Polygamous families are also formed. Marriage practices include negotiations, love and elopement, service, capture and exchange. Konda Reddy ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನಾಂಗದ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಮತ್ತು ಮದುವೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ರಚನೆಯು ಪಿತೃಪ್ರಧಾನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಏಕಪತ್ನಿತ್ವ ಮತ್ತು ಬಹುಪತ್ನಿತ್ವ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳು ರೂಢಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತವೆ. ಮದುವೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾತುಕತೆ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪಲಾಯನ, ಸೇವೆ, ಸೆರೆಹಿಡಿಯುವಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿನಿಮಯ. The primary religion practiced by Kondareddy is folk Hinduism, which involves local traditions and worship of local deities at the community level. Coming to the political organization, they have their own social control institution called Kula Panchayata. Each village is led by a traditional headman known as Pedda Kapu, whose position is hereditary. The headman also serves as the priest or pujari of the village deities. Coming to the livelihood of the Kondareddy tribe, so they primarily practice shifting cultivation. So they also depend on the forest for their livelihood. They collect and sell non-timber forest produce such as tamarind, adalus, myrobalan, and broomsticks. Jowar is the staple food for Kondareddy tribe people and they cultivate it extensively. So this is all about Kondareddy tribal people, their family structure and marriage relationships, their political organizations, their livelihood and occupation. While studying about Indian loyalty, we came across Papikonda National Park. So now we will briefly look into Papikonda National Park. Papikonda National Park is situated in East and West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. This national park is home to unique dwarf breed of goat, locally known as Kanchu Meka. It supports diverse range of wildlife including tigers, leopards, hyenas, and vulnerable Indian gaur. So other notable species include sambar deer, barking deer, chausinga, and spotted deer. This national park also declared as or recognized as important bird and biodiversity area by BirdLife International. The prominent vegetation of this forest or national park is southern tropical dry deciduous forest. These are the few important facts related to Papikonda National Park. Based on the topic that we have discussed so far, here we have provided one prelims practice question. Go through the question and comment your answer. The answer and detailed explanation for this question is available in the PDF handout. The PDF is available in the Telegram channel. You can join the channel and download the PDF. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.